This cutting machine is probably very familiar to many of you, but not everyone uses a cutting disc the right way. So today, I'm going to show you how to install and use a cutting disc safely. Before installing the disc, I need to insert a washer first. This washer has two sides, one with a larger circle and the other with a smaller circle. For this kind of cutting disc, I need to use the side with the smaller circle. This is the correct way to do it. If I simply place the disc directly onto the machine like this, then add the washer on top, that would be incorrect. We must install a protective guard before placing the cutting disc. These discs can shatter and fly out, which is very dangerous. I just need to fit it into the right spot, and then tighten the bolt with a screwdriver. Now we can install the cutting disc. But this side is incorrect. It's not meant for cutting. Let's flip it over to the correct side. Next, we place this washer. You might notice it feels a bit loose like this, which means it's still wrong. This washer also has two sides, one curved, one flat. For this type of disc, we use the flat side to secure it tightly. Then, I'll use a special wrench to firmly tighten the top washer. And now, the disc is correctly and securely installed. Next, we'll get ready for cutting. I'll start by marking the cut line. This helps make our cut more precise and neat. Done marking. Let's move on to cutting. If we place a material at an angle like this, that would be wrong. Let me show you why. See that? When you cut at an angle and go too deep, the material bends inward. That causes the cutting disc to get stuck. The disc might break and send sharp pieces flying everywhere. Instead, we should raise the material slightly and keep it flat and level. Just like this. This is the correct position. Also, if we cut in this direction, the disc might slam into the surface below. So we should cut along this direction, in line with the rotation of the disc. And when cutting, never shake or tilt the machine. Hold it firmly and cut in one smooth, straight motion. To avoid sparks and injury from flying disc fragments, you should sit slightly off to the side, outside the danger zone. Once everything is set up properly, cutting becomes much safer and more effective. And when you're done, don't lay the cutter face down, as it can damage the disc. Instead, rest it facing up like this. Now let me try cutting a thicker steel pipe. No problem at all. Next, I'll cut through this metal bar. It looks pretty thick. Done. Let me also cut this metal sheet. And there we have it. That's how to install and use a cutting disc safely. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.